So guys, this is it, the moment we've waited for all year. So the NBA just released the playoff picture, and guys, I can't lie, it's looking interesting. So first, the West, right? We got the Warriors going up against the Clippers in the first round. Now, to me, the Clippers, when they went up against top teams in the past games that, like, yo, this is the chance for you to show what you're made of, they always come up short. So to me, the Warriors are going to win that without a doubt. Is it going to be a sweep? No, but it won't be game 7. I doubt it. But then again, Steph Curry, he kind of injured his foot or his ankle, so we're going to see what happens with that. But I expect the Warriors to win. KD and Clay and DeMarcus, Steph Curry, they're not going down without a fight. I mean, it's the Warriors. I don't got to convince you guys. You guys know what's up. We got to stop saying 5 All-Stars and say 4, because Draymond, he ain't been looking like an All-Star. He looks like he should be back. He looks like he should be back auditioning for Shrek whenever the next one comes out. Donkey. But anyway, the next one. We got the Rockets and the Jazz. Now, the Jazz, they're cool. They're up and coming. But come on. The Rockets, they've been tested. They've gone to the Western Conference Finals. They lost to the Warriors. I don't see them losing to the Jazz. And right here, we got the Blazers and the Thunder. Now, that one is very interesting. That one is 50-50 for me. The Blazers can finally prove that they belong, you know, in the playoffs. The Thunder, last year, they got eliminated in the first round by the Utah Jazz. So, it's 50-50. It could go either way. Here's my question to you guys, right? If the Thunder can beat the Blazers, can they beat the Nuggets or the Spurs? I don't really know what's going to happen, but I do expect OKC to win that. And I do expect the Denver Nuggets to win that. So it might be the Denver Nuggets Thunder in the second round. But then in that series, it's 50-50 because the Denver Nuggets, they've been playing great. The Thunder, with Paul George in the playoffs, I don't know. I'm not too convinced on them yet, so I don't know. But the Denver Nuggets, they're nice. They can beat the Thunder. But if I had to choose, I'll go with the Thunder because I do like Paul George and Russell Westbrook. I do think that they're going to figure something out. Now, when it comes to the East, we got the Bucks and the Pistons. Now, obviously the Bucks, the Pistons, come on. I feel like they got lucky this year because you guys saw what Giannis did to the Sixers. I mean, he ran through them. Unless Blake Griffin is dropping 45 every game, I don't see them winning that series. I don't see the Nets really doing much. I know D'Angelo, he's gonna go crazy. Now the Sixers, they're expected to do great things, so if they don't, that's a major disappointment. And then come on, man, this one is just like, come on, who thought of this? You gonna tell me the Raptors take on the Orlando Magic? I think that's gonna be a sweep. I don't know. Kawhi, I don't think he's gonna be playing around. Let's skip to the Eastern Conference Finals, right? I do expect the Celtics to make it, right? Because Giannis, he's great, but I think the Celtics have a better system in the playoffs for them to advance than the Bucks, because the Bucks, they're gonna heavily rely on Giannis. They lost some key players. To me, I'm picking the Celtics to make the Eastern Conference Finals. The Raptors against Sixers, that's gonna be a great matchup. I can't even lie. It's hard for me to pick between the Raptors and the Sixers, but I do want the Sixers to make it. Joel Embiid has talked a lot about the Celtics. The Celtics have talked back, but I do ultimately think the Celtics are going to win because of Kyrie Irving. I don't know. I do believe in Kyrie Irving. Now for the West, I do expect the Warriors to beat the Rockets. The Rockets still got to prove themselves because when they start missing threes, somehow they just keep shooting them. They don't switch up to mid-range. They don't switch up. They don't really have a great mid-range game, but they don't switch up their game. Now James Harden and his free throws, I don't think the refs are going to go for that. But then again, what James Harden is doing, nobody has done before. James Harden is intentionally making players foul him based on their guarding position, right? If their hand is reaching out, he's going to take his hands and hit them with it. He's going to make contact. So you got to play with your hands behind your back. But in the playoffs, I don't think it's going to help them because if James Harden plays that one-on-one basketball, they're not going to win. Ultimately, I do expect in the finals for it to be Celtics and Warriors. So we're going to see, but ultimately the champion, in my opinion, is going to be the Golden State Warriors. So guys, what's your opinion, right? What are your predictions? And I'm out.